The GWP, you don't know what that means. So the team building event is done. I think the event went well, had fun. I work for a multinational conglomerate corporation. Let's just say every time I tell people where I work, they automatically assume that I make cell phones, which I do not. But it is an honor to be on the leadership team of such a widely known company. Those guys and girls that I work with, they make me proud. So, but I dropped my quad in the lake a few days ago, if you haven't seen. And then I was flying a prototype frame after that, and I didn't get through all the packs. I really didn't get out of warm-up mode. So I'm actually working on being more cinematic because I have a Mexico trip coming up next month, and I want to work on just developing that cinema feel. I think I kind of have some of that already, but I really want to step it up a notch and hopefully bring back some awesome footage from Mexico. Point being, I still have packs to discharge. I'm on my way back from the event, and I could put them on the charger and discharge them, but I'd rather rip some packs. Not looking to really rip, just doing some light testing. It never really goes well when I say that.
A few moments later.
So I'm currently waiting for these people to finish walking as slow as they possibly can through my spot. So I was just thinking, you know what I hate? You know what I hate? The term juicy. I consider myself to be a pretty logical person. I usually know why I dislike things and why I think and feel the way that I feel, but for no logical reason whatsoever, I completely hate the term juicy in regards to FPV. Not in regards to fruit or anything of that matter, but when it comes to naming that style, for some reason, I hate it. Like, every time I hear it, I cringe. Don't know why. It's perfectly fine name, I guess. I mean, it's not offensive to anybody. It's not really corny per se, but I just hate it. I like the style. Okay, let's talk about that. The juicy style. I'll relate this to singing. Sanging, not even sing. I'm sanging. People with all the articulations and everything. I like that, but articulations are supposed to be something that enhances the melody of the song. So a good song should, at its core, have a melody that has a good motif, something that catches your attention, that keeps the song in your brain. And then articulations are supposed to build on top of that, right? It's flair. The problem is you get some people that have songs with nothing but flair. All they do is they run all over the place, and the melodic bass is completely lost, if it's even there to begin with, because some people, they'll run all over the place and they can't stay in tune for jack. I don't consider myself to be the greatest singer in the world, but so when it comes to juicy flying, I feel like a lot of the misdirections and the articulations involved in that style of flying are great as long as they're not overused. I certainly appreciate the amount of skill that it takes for that style of flying, but if it's done so much that you can't even appreciate the environment that is being flown, then it becomes a melody oversaturated by articulation. Just my personal opinion. You can tell me what you think. This isn't a knockdown of anybody that primarily focuses on that style of flying, because like I said, I do like it. I just, you know, it's all subjective, just like music. Rant's over. Looks like I have the space again. So back to it. I'm not gonna break yourself. You're going to break yourself. You're gonna break me. You're gonna break me. You're going to break yourself. You're going to break yourself. You're gonna break me. You're gonna break me. My tongue's and I spit blue from blue candy. Kiss me on lips and wondered what was up with the sun's getting paradise when you close your eyes. Yeah, that's all you know, but I miss you. If you're going to break yourself, if you're going to break yourself, you're gonna break me. You're gonna break me. If you're going to break yourself, if you're going to break yourself, you're gonna break me. You're gonna break me. If you're going to break yourself, if you're going to break yourself, you're gonna break me. You're gonna break me. If you're going to break yourself, if you're going to break yourself, you're gonna break me. You're gonna break me. Okay, I'm about to rip my last pack. I know a bunch of you are cringing right now, but I made it to the last pack. You know, you may not know, but whenever I make it to the last pack, I always call last pack because I have to give thanks to the last pack before I go and let the chips fall where they may. So here we go. Hopefully these people will give me some time. So, all right, bye.